In this video, we're going to be installing QA1 double adjustable shocks in the rear of this Hellcat swapped Dodge Dakota. So right now we just have generic shocks in the back of this lowered truck, and we need to get the right shocks in here. So I'm going to show you guys these. They're direct bolt on. You guys can put them on your Dodge Dakota or whatever truck or project you're working on. They have something for your application. So the ones we're using here today are TD806. So they sell these both in single and double adjustable. We're going all out on this thing because this is an over 700 horsepower beast and it needs all the traction it can get. So let me open these, show you guys them, and then we'll get to installing them. Okay, so here they are, you guys. These are a top-notch product. So you can see here, these things almost look too nice to install in a vehicle, but here we are. So they are rebuildable. Also, they do have compression and rebound adjustments, so you can adjust how fast that they compress and how fast they return. So you have the ultimate adjustability on these things. And again, these are going to be a direct bolt on for us. So it's 2 bolts and we should be able to throw these things on. So let's get this truck up in the air, show you guys the stuff that we're removing, get these on there, and show you guys how it's done. And here we are. So the truck is up in the air. Here is the shocks that we have back here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these. They're 2 bolts, not much to it, and we'll get these out. Okay, so with the old one removed, same deal. We are gonna go ahead, throw this up here, and then these fit beautifully in here. We don't need to do anything other than just put our 2 mounting bolts back in, and we'll leave our adjusters so that we have access to them. Same deal, put our hardware through, and we'll tighten down our hardware. Okay, so check that out, you guys. That is a much nicer looking piece up in here. So we'll go ahead and we'll swap this one out at the same time, and then we can talk about adjusting them. So same deal. Just 2 bolts, and we'll go ahead and get this one out of here, put the new one in place, and we'll leave our adjusters right here so that they're accessible for us. All right, so now we've got the other shock in there, and again, our adjusters are easily accessible. So now we get into the more exciting part of this. So it's super cool, you guys. You have a lot of adjustability with these. So QA1 outlines what type of application you're doing, and you can adjust them based on that. So you can see here, drag racing, nice ride and handling, firm ride and improved handling, aggressive handling, and they tell you what clickers to set these at. So if you have a shock with 1 adjuster knob, it tells you here what range you want to be in. If you've got like us where we have compression and rebound, it tells you where to set them accordingly. So since we're not going to the track right now, we're going to set this to firm ride and improved handling. So we'll set the compression to 6 to 12 clicks and the rebound at 8 to 14 clicks. So it also says here that they are set from the factory fully counterclockwise, which is the fully softest setting. So we're going to go ahead and start here and we'll count our clicks. So I'm going to go ahead and do 12 for compression and 14 for rebound, since that's on the stiffer end of the scale for firm ride and improved handling. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12. And we'll count 14 on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you guys can hear that. There we go, 14. Okay, so both shocks are set, you guys. So 12 on compression, 14 on rebound on both sides, and we're all set to go test this thing out. All right, guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for that install. So we're gonna be doing subsequent testing on these, finding out the optimum settings and the best for comfort and performance on this truck. We also have them installed on this truck. So if you guys have a Ram 1500, go check out that video. And they both are running QA1 suspension. So we got these things dialed in. If you guys don't have one of these trucks, they have specific applications for obviously the Dakota, for the Ram. If you have something different, go over to their website. They have a finder where you guys can input your vehicle and it'll tell you guys what shocks fit your vehicle. Also, if you have something custom, they also build custom shocks. So pretty much whatever you need, head on over there. They'll get you covered. I'll link it down in the description below. If you guys found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button if you guys want to see more on these trucks, and we'll see you guys on the next video.